Welcome to Learning Fun with Tales. Question 1. What animal is this? Elephant. Question 2. Which animal has black and white stripes? Zebra. Question 3. Which animal lives in the ocean and has fins? Dolphin. Question 4. What animal has a long neck? Giraffe. Question 5. Which animal carries its house on its back? Turtle. Question 6. Which animal jumps and says ribbit? Frog. Question 7. Which animal can fly and sings? Bird. Question 8. Which animal barks and is a pet? Dog. Question 9. What animal says meow? Kate. Question 10. Which animal lives on a farm and gives us milk? Cow. Question 11. Which animal is big, gray, and has a horn? Rhino. Question 12. Which animal is pink and lives on a farm? Pig. Question 13. Which animal is small and squeaks? Mouse. Question 14. Which animal is very fast and runs in the wild? Cheetah. Question 15. Which animal lives in the jungle and roars loudly? Lion. Question 16. Which animal swings on trees and eats bananas? Monkey. Question 17. Which animal is big, lives in water, and has big teeth? Hippo. Question 18. Which bird cannot fly but lives in cold places? Penguin. Question 19. Which animal is orange with black stripes? Tiger. Question 20. Which animal has a big shell and moves slowly? Snail. Question 21. Which animal has sharp claws and flies at night? Bat. Question 22. Which animal lives in trees and is slow? Sloth. Question 23. Which animal is known for building dams? Beaver. Question 24. Which animal is tall and has antlers? Deer. Question 25. Which animal howls at the moon? Wolf. Question 26. Which sea animal has 8 legs? Octopus. Question 27. Which animal rolls into a ball for protection? Armadillo. Question 28. Which animal is known for its black mask and stealing food? Raccoon. Question 29. Which animal is black and white and lives in China? Panda. Question 30. Which animal has wings and breathes fire in fairy tales? Dragon.